Now currently in drone assembly challenge participated, so we have to feel like a good thing in IIT. So firstly, basically from Sarsa qualification we have to come in IIT drone assembly challenges, and such like a wonderful experiences in drone assembly challenges incubation center IIT Patna. So we have to call that and every student to participate such like institute to get motivated for futures and learn about the new technology and devices. Here we have to participate in drone assembly challenges, so we feel like and learn about something with contact with our professors and drone assembly challenges technology related to every parts and related to CEO and founder of different types of drone assembly. So we like most of thing and learn about the all thing of drone assembly challenges. So we get motivated for our future endeavors. That's it.